Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record screen on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to turn on the screen recorder, we need to open the quick access, so swipe from the top to the bottom like so, and then one more time in order to open the quick access. And then swipe through the pages until you find screen recorder. In my case, I have it over here, and I can tap on this button in order to start recording. And then I need to confirm that I want to start recording. So let's press start, and there we go. Now we have the countdown over here and we are now recording. And if you want to have more options, then you can tap on this arrow over here in order to let's say start writing something on the screen. You can mute the microphone system sound, mic and system sound, or just anything really. You can also enable the camera. You can pause the recording and stop the recording by pressing this red square. And that's it. Now once you are done, you will see the information video saved to screen record folder. So I believe if you scroll down, then over here in the notifications we will find the screen recording, and we can tap on it in order to see it. And also we can go to Google Files. There we go. And here we can go to videos, and we should have our screen recorded video over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.